Can you tell we're going to a show? It's so cool when you get close to the shows, the car shows, you start seeing all the beauties rumbling in. That was a quick example of some. They're the granddaddies of the Ford Mustang, in my opinion. You guys are styling. You're looking good. There you go. Look at that. Eh? All right, they're going to explain right now what's going on with people that are dealing with drug addiction. Of course, I'm at the Classic Auto Mall. Boom, once again. And I'm looking for a Mustang, guys. I know you don't want to hear that, but wait a minute. Oh, I know him. There he is again. You guys saw him last time we were at the Classic Auto Mall. And once again, he's representing. I know you. I know you.
Yeah, he walks right by me.
I'm shooting video here. I'm being a professional.
Look what's beside it. You ain't never saw.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
You got a lot of cars. You sell that truck?
No.
Not yet? That truck's still available, guys. But here you go. Representing for the Mustangs. Finally, I went through the whole show. Don't worry, sir. No problems. I gotta show another car, but good job on representing.
Boy, you ain't even interested in this thing, and that's more rare than yours is.
Oh, he's talking crap again. All right, fine. Fine, you sucked me in. Tell me about it.
Good morning. My name is Kurt Martinez. I'm the Chief of Police of West Callan Township.
Very few of them
here in Chester County.
Originally a country squire.
It was originally a country squire. They're talking, so we're going to get back to this. But here, I want to
out of the 30 years, 20 years has been with the
347 stroker.
347 stroker.
C4.
C4.
Shift cat.
C4?
Yeah,
C4 with a street shift kit.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
And a 355 posi.
So,
wow. All right.
So like I said,
is it for
I've been a
sale?
police officer for 30 years.
50,000.
59 for 20.
He's serious. He's serious. He loves this car, and I'm sure you do too. All right. Back to trying to find a Mustang.
There's a couple older ones up there.
Yeah, I'll find them.